Anuradha Bhasin, executive editor of the Kashmir Times, has questioned the motives behind the ban on 25 books on Jammu and Kashmir. She warns of long-term damage to knowledge, scholarship and free expression. The ban was imposed on the 6th anniversary of Article 370's revocation. Bhasin's book, A Dismantled State, is among the banned titles. Hurriyat leaders and organizations have paid tributes to Sheikh Abdul Aziz on his 17th martyrdom anniversary. Aziz was a senior leader of All Parties Hurriyat Conference and chairman of the Jammu and Kashmir People's League. He was a true and honest leader of Kashmir's freedom struggle. Indian airlines have cancelled or rescheduled over 2,400 flights in 2025 due to regulatory curbs and geopolitical tensions. Official data reveals the disruptions which have affected air travel across India. A former RSS insider has claimed the senior leaders from the RSS, BJP, VHP and Bajrang Dal planned and executed deadly bombing across India from 2004 to 2008. A Muslim truck driver was beaten to death by a mob of Kanwarias in Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh, on suspicion of carrying cattle remains. Several residents of the Farpura village in Pulwama district have fallen ill due to contaminated drinking water supplied by the Public Health Engineering Department. Panic has gripped the village, with many seeking medical attention. Indian forces continues operation in Kulgam and Kishtwar, Indian-occupied Kashmir. The 12-day operation in Kulgam involves 10,000 personnel with sealed entry and exit points. Civilians are restricted from moving with advanced military assets deployed. Kashmir is under lockdown ahead of India's Independence Day, with strict restrictions and a multi-tier security grid imposed. Additional troops are deployed in sensitive areas, causing inconvenience to locals. Movement and daily activities are severely restricted.